Barcode in manufacturing can be really helpful in speeding up the processing of processing goods, such as raw material. When you have a pallet of, say, empty bottles that you need to fill with wine or beer or any liquid, you receive a pallet that has a big sticker with the SSEC, the lot, the material code, and so on. And when you're logging that into the system for your traceability process, you don't really want to type all that information manually because it's error prone, it's slow. You want to be able to just take your phone, scan it, and off you go. So we've seen companies speed up the process from a minute per pallet of data processing all the way to 20 seconds, which when you multiply by the number of pallets you do, it's a big deal. So let's see how this works in Tillit. So I'm just logging into an account. I can see I have a filler capper, a labeler, and a case packer. So we're gonna simulate the loading of cartons inside that case packer. So I'm just gonna create an activity to load those cartons in. Everything in Tillit is an activity, remember that. So an activity becomes a form, it's triggered by an event. This way you can get context, you can get traceability, you can get all that good things around the digital manufacturing operations. So I'm gonna get this activity to be triggered on the order ready event. So this way, when we're about to start producing, I want a form so that somebody can scan in the barcode and get all the data in. So I'm marking this form as a material consumption. That is part of the material movement feature in Tillit, which drives all the traceability. But like I said before, I don't want people to type in the barcode manually, so I'm adding a barcode scanning activity. Now we're gonna use a GS1 scanning. Why? Because GS1 standardizes the components of the barcode. This way we can have one form for any sort of supplier, which is super handy. So when we're setting up the GS1 barcode style, we define the list of parts that we want, and then we map those parts into different fields in the form. So this way, every time we scan, Tillit will take each one of the parts that were found in the barcode, and it will populate that field for you in the form. Hope that makes sense. Just gonna tweak the sequence of the form so it's a bit easier for the operator. I'm gonna change some titles. When we're doing a material movement, we don't really know what is your key. So we call that inventory key. In this case, it's a pallet number, so that's what I'm going to call my inventory key. And I'm just checking that all the fields are aligned. So then we're going to test it. First, I'm going to set the scene up, which is, let's say, a supervisor is aligning all the orders and just getting that activity up. But I'll execute this activity using the mobile application. So once I jump into the mobile application, I navigate all the way to the order, and I can see my load the cartons call out there. So here I'm just using my phone camera. It is powered by Scandit, which is a really good partnership there between Tillit and Scandit. So Scandit is a great tool that reads barcode extremely fast and is able to parse all that information that you want. In this case, it's interesting that the GTIN that I scanned is not in the bill of materials, so I'm happy to explain that I'm happy to comment the activity that I had to use an alternative raw material in this case. This concludes the how to use GS1 barcodes with Tillit, how to scan them, and yeah, hope that helps, and see you on the next video. Bye.